Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, I hope you are all fine. In our last video we talked about that the how the insurance policy secure your protection. Secure your how to insurance policy shield your protection. So friends, in this video we talk about that what is health insurance and what is disability. So today in this video we just talk about the difference between what is health insurance and what is disability insurance. So these are two points in the insurance policy, so we discuss about in this video. So what is what is common which are the common points in these two insurance policies. So we talk about in this video. So empowering people of determination. So these are the understanding of people determinations. Positive terminologies. Empowerment. The term people of domination empowers individual with disabilities by acknowledging their perseverance and courage in overcoming challenges. So respect. So holistic approach. So healthcare, education, employment. Defining disabilities. So type of disabilities. So physical disabilities, sensory disabilities, cognitive disabilities, and psychological liabilities. So varying degrees miss liabilities, health insurance and people of determination. So legal framework is including policies, insurance regulations, comprehensive range of services customized. Or these are the two insurance policies, that is that is health insurance and the disability insurance. So we just in this video in so so what is health and disability insurance? So health and disability insurance products protect you in case of illness or accident. The purpose of this insurance is to cover loss of income, additional expenses incurred due to illness or accident, extend care, prosthesis and medicators, etc. So based on you NAI group, financial groups, disability and income insurance, critical insurance. The importance of having health insurance and disability insurance. So there are three type of insurance design you need. So number one is disability and income insurance. The next one is critical insurance. Insurance. So the next one is accident insurance. So disability and income insurance. So we click on find out more. So the next one we just in detail we see in detail data about the about the disability and income insurance. So click on find out more. So next move in the detail that how disability income insurance exists. Disability and income insurance allow you to benefit from a source of replacement income when you are unable to work due to illness or an accident. So the coverage offered can provide replacement income of up to $10,000 per month for the short or long term, which can be 2 years, 5 years, or up to more age 65. You can also cover loan repayments and event in rent. So coverage adapted to your needs. Superior program and exit program. So disability insurance definition, how to protect is what is disability insurance. Basically disability insurance is a type of insurance product that provides income in the events that a policy holder is prevented from working and earning due to disabilities. In the United States, individuals can obtain disability insurance from the government through the Society Security System. Society Security System. So key takeaways: disability insurance is a type of insurance protecting against loss of income due to disabilities. Disability insurance is available through both public and private programs. So how disability insurance works? So how disability insurance basically works? Oftentimes insurance products will protect against a specific loss, such as when a property and casualty insurance plan reimburses the policyholder for the value of stolen properties. However, in the case of disability insurance, this compensation relates to the lost income caused by a disabilities. For example, if a worker earned $50,000 per year prior to become a disabled, and if their disability prevents them from continuing to the work, so their disability insurance would compensate them of profession, so income provided then they qualify. In a practice, there are many conditions to the policy holders. This is a particularly to regards in the US social applications must prove that their disability prevents. So these are the these are the definition and complete description about the disability disability insurance policy. So I know you understand that the difference between the health insurance policy and disability insurance policy. So if you really in this video is really helpful to you and you get knowledge from this channel, hope tomorrow. So let's meet in the next video. So please take care of you. Thank you.